Hello, it's Mary Langfield, and I wanted to talk to you a little bit of food for thought today. So, I was talking to a client who was telling me, that they would have more time for self care if they could just get their house clean and organized. And I can totally appreciate this thinking because, again, as a recovering perfectionist, I think that most of us believe that if we could just get everything juggled just right, then we have the right environment to create a life that we're really enjoying and we can make more time for ourselves. But this is a bit of a trap. So I want to have you consider this. What if you are feeling really good in your body and in your mind? And that allowed you to have more time, more energy, and more, you know, zest for the mundane, like cleaning the house and organizing. Cleaning the house and organizing might not be your favorite thing. It might bring you some peace, especially if you're somebody who's like always interested in learning about energetic flow. You might be familiar with something like feng shui. And feng shui is like when your house is tidy, when this is tidy, then you're going to really be setting yourself up for success in your environment, which I truly believe. However, for those of us who are recovering perfectionists, type A people, people who want to have things done right, we can feel so overwhelmed by doing those things because we know how they should be done and we know if we're going to do them, how much time it's going to take. And we kind of turn it into a mountain instead of a molehill. So, what I would suggest is why don't you try this? Instead of feeling like you have to get all those big tasks done, why don't you take care of yourself first so that you feel more grounded, more calm, more peaceful? And then you'll have likely, and it might surprise you, more energy to tidy up the kitchen, to do the laundry, to, you know, spend time cleaning the bathroom. But if you are always putting yourself off because you have something else that needs your attention, that's just what's going to keep happening. And you're actually going to be depleting your energetics because you're not taking care of you. And you know in your heart that you really need some time to yourself, that you need to take a walk in nature. Like that's what's going to fuel your soul. Or maybe if you were able to spend some time journaling or being with friends, your soul would feel full. And then the tasks that were in front of you in your home wouldn't feel so daunting. So I want you to think about that. That's it. That's what this food for thought is about, is that you may believe that everything else needs to come first before you can prioritize yourself. But actually, when you prioritize yourself, you are going to have more time and energy for those mundane tasks. Now, if you're a caregiver, there's a whole extra layer, but I'm still going to tell you that you're going to need to take time for yourself in order for you to have more energy to hold patience, more energy to hold kindness in your heart, compassion. But you need to first show that to yourself. Otherwise, you're going to be maybe doing things that are not in service to you, procrastinating, treating yourself poorly mentally, like emotionally. You might be on your own case for not getting all the stuff done. And gosh, why can't you do this? Gosh, you can't do anything. You might be going down those kinds of rabbit holes. And it feels very heavy when you're in those places. So lighten it up by prioritizing yourself, which will feel so confusing and hard and different because that's not what you've done in the past. But I promise, try it. Try it. Take that walk. Do some journaling. Listen to the podcast that you want to listen to. Make plans with your friends. Do something for yourself. I would recommend, of course, maybe a little yoga, a little meditation, reading a book that's going to help you connect to your spiritual side. I love doing all those things that are soul fulfilling, but sometimes you just need to start even smaller than that. And it might be like, I really do like it when I get my nails done. Maybe you're going to do your nails. Maybe you're going to get a massage. Fine. Allow yourself to be a priority in your life, because as you prioritize yourself, you're teaching other people how to treat you. And you're showing them that life isn't just about doing, life is also about being. So let me know, what do you think? And let's say if you find this a challenge, what might be one little thing that you could consider doing for yourself that you don't have to validate, or that you're not going to validate? Like, I'm not going to validate that if I do X, Y, and Z first, then I can. What if you just go do it? So show it to me. Can't wait. And I'm looking forward to talking soon.